Is this a movie?
Yep.
No,
you gotta finish that one.
Yeah, not on the floor. Watch out. Watch out.
Zachary.
You have to finish that one. Who likes strawberries? Zachary? Zachary's going for the bowl.
No. Here. Alright, fine. Here.
You don't want to put down the one he's working on? Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, I think so too, Zachary. I think that's a perfect idea. Oh, one left. Very good job. I'm so proud of you.
Grace's hand was in the way the whole time.
Here.
Okay, you want to take them with you?
No.
Not today. Monday?
No. There won't be any room in the car.
Okay.
Not with Lady in the back seat and Zachary and us.
Okay.
And the trunk will be full.
That's a possibility when I go down the second time.
Okay. Now, don't flip the plate, Zachary.